Hello everyone and welcome to Kala Mandir. As you all know, Kala Mandir is a decade-old trusted brand and we do not compromise with our quality. Let me tell you that Kala Mandir showrooms are located in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. I will also tell you the purchasing process of our saris. The first way is to take a screenshot of the sari or the sari code, send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299, or else just check the description box below for your favorite sari link, press onto it and it will direct you to our main website. From there you can shop very easily. So today I am going to be presenting a very gorgeous collection from Kala Mandir that is called Kanchi border and digital printed saris, which is at a New Year's great discount. Alright, so let's begin with the first sari, beautiful red color sari that I am wearing, and as you can see on the entire body there is digital prints, all florals on the entire body you can see. And then the border of the sari, which is contrasting in color. It is completely covered with gold zari work. And here comes the pallu of the sari, which is completely zari woven. And this sari is paired up with a zari woven blouse piece only. So let's check out the pricing details. Sari code CF183, actual price is 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let's begin to see more beautiful saris from this amazing collection here today. And as I told you all, it is at great discounts, and do watch the entire show and grab this discount too. So here up next is a peach color sari for you all, and you can see digital prints on the entire body, all floral prints only along with animal prints. And here is the border of the sari, which is a very beautiful work of gold zari and in floral prints. This is the pallu of the sari, which is completely zari woven. Now let me show you the blouse piece of the sari, which is zari woven again, also in contrasting color. A very beautiful peach color sari. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Sari code is CF215. Actual price is 6,999 and offer price is 5,600 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Okay, so let's see the next sari, and let me also tell you, you can avail video calling facility. For that, all you need to do is drop in a message on our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. So up next is a blue color beautiful sari, and these saris are absolutely lightweighted saris, so you do not worry about the weight. There you go, digital print on the entire body, and this is a blue based sari. You may see all floral prints on the entire body in multicolor. Here is the border of the sari, which is blue in color, contrasting with gold zari work going on it. Floral prints and parsley butties. This is the pallu of the sari, contrasting in color along with zari woven work on it. Let's have a look at the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece, contrasting in color, complete zari woven work, and on the body of the blouse you will see brocade work. So here are the details. Sari code CF182. Actual price is 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, so let's see the next sari now. It's a very beautiful collection, and also you'll find a lot of blues, reds and pinks today. Here you go. So like I was telling you, you'll find a lot of reds, blues and greens, pinks. So the thing about this sari is all digital print on the main body of the sari, but in contrasting you will find the red, pink, green like I mentioned. Alright. So here you go, you can see the body covered with human figures and floral prints. It's a gold based sari. And here is the border of the sari, red in color, very beautiful color of red. And then you can see gold zari work, floral design and zigzag design on the border. And now is the pallu of the sari, which is completely zari woven. And as you can see, it has all floral work going on it. Then comes the blouse piece, which is contrasting in color, has brocade work on the body and a beautiful border to it. Goes very beautifully with the sari. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CF187. Actual price is 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, so let's move on and see the next sari now. It's going to be a pink based sari. Here it is. Another of a light weighted sari and great quality, and the material is very soft. There you go, you can see on the body human figures, and you will also find gold zari work, parsley buttis on the body of the sari, which is lighter in color. And here is the border of the sari, which is contrasting in color, and beautiful peacock and floral work going on it in gold zari work. You can also see thread work on it. And now for the pallu of the sari, completely zari woven in florals. And here is the beautiful blouse piece, contrasting in color with a border to it. Have a look at it. It goes very beautifully with the sari. Let's check out the pricing now. Sari code is CF218. Actual price is 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. So yes, let me tell all my viewers that we provide free shipping and cash on delivery all over India. So let's get in touch with you all. We have Anuradha here saying hello, and a very hello to you, ma'am, and welcome to our live show. So then we have Jai Shri Ram saying Acha, Jai Shri Ram to you too, and welcome to our show. Then we have Seema Lohar saying hi ma'am, a very hello to you ma'am. Please start pouring in your request. अगर आप कोई पसंदीदा कलर देखना चाहें तो मुझे बता दीजिए ज़रूर. मेरे पास आज काफ़ी मल्टी कलर्ड के साड़ीज़ हैं, पर उसकी जो बॉर्डर है वो ग्रीन, पिंक, रेड और ब्लू कलर में रहेंगी, तो ज़रूर शो के एंड तक हमारे साथ रहें. So yes, I will get in touch with you all shortly. For now, I'll show you the next sari. Beautiful neonish green color sari here, very trendy color. There you go. It's also called lime green color sari. And as you can see on the entire body of the sari, you will find florals in digital print. And then here is the border, which is a kanchi border covered with gold zari work in contrasting color. This is the pallu of the sari, which is completely zari woven. And here is the blouse piece in neon green color, lime green color. There you go. And you'll find all gold zari work on it. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code is CF222. Actual price is 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we have a Rajni Tiwari here saying good morning and a very good collection. Thank you so much. Good morning to you too. And I hope you'll definitely love this entire collection, because this is called Kanchi border with digital printed saris, a very trendy collection. And also we have Ruchi Gupta here saying beautiful sari and you're looking beautiful. Thank you so much for the beautiful comment, and I'm sure that you're as beautiful as your comment. So yes, we also have a few more customers here. Let's get in touch with you all shortly, and let me tell you that you can avail video calling facility just in case you're not able to see your favorite sari or your favorite collection in this live show right now. What you can do is drop in a message on our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299, and from there we will book a video calling facility for you. Alright, so let's see the next sari. I have a very beautiful sari up next, a lovely trendy combination of Kanchi and digital print. There you go. Pink based sari along with a very gorgeous border to it. Digital prints on the entire body, floral prints. And here is the border, Kanchi border, white and gold combination. You can see florals on the entire border. A very traditional like border the sari has. Then is the pallu, which is completely zari woven. And now comes the blouse piece, simple blouse piece but has a very gorgeous border to it. There you go. Let me show it to you properly. There you go. Yes. So let's have a look at the pricing now. Sari code is CF213, actual price is 6,999 and offer price is 5,600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Alright, moving on and seeing the next sari. I have a wonderful collection here today, and let me also remind you these saris are at a great discount, that is New Year's sale discount. Alright, so up next is another of a multicolor on the body along with pink border, and you will see human figures on the sari, the body of the sari. There's also gold zari work going on the sari in floral design. I hope you can see it. And we have this pink color border to the sari, which has gold and silver zari work going on it. And here is the pallu of the sari, which is zari woven. You'll find gold, silver zari work on it. And this is the blouse piece that goes with this sari. Multicolored sari, any color blouse you can pick up along with the sari. So here is the pricing details, which is CF220 is the sari code. Actual price is 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, to all my viewers, you know how to follow our social media handle. If not, go check out this video and I will be right back.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
The Kanchi border with digital printed saris. Also, before moving on, I will just get in touch with you all. That is, we have Ruchi and Jyoti saying hi, a very good morning to you all and welcome to our show. Then we have Rajni Tiwari saying, I purchased a sari order yet not reached. So ma'am, just share your ID or the sari link that you have selected, and our technical team will get in touch with you and solve this problem. Alright, then we have Indu Mera saying, what is the material? So this material is all silk based saris. However, Kanchi border along with digital prints you will find on the sari. So yes, let's see the next beautiful sari, orange based sari here, a little different from all the saris. You'll find digital printed floral work on the entire sari. And then we have a contrasting border to go with this sari, which is orange in color. Like I told you, it's an orange based sari. Gold zari floral work on the entire border. And here is the pallu of the sari, which is again completely covered with zari woven work. And now is the blouse piece, plain blouse piece, contrasting in color along with a beautiful border. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Sari code is CF188, actual price is 6,999 and offer price is 5,600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we have Tuhina Roy here saying so nice. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your beautiful comments. I love to read such lovely comments from you all early in the morning. Makes my day really good. And now I'll show you some more fantastic saris that I have here. Beautiful green based sari, and you'll find multiple colors on this sari. First, have a look at the body of the sari with human figures on it. Alright, you can also see brocade work going on the body in gold zari work, which is a little lighter, and I hope you can see it in the light. And then we have this amazing border to the sari with peacock design and floral designs on it. Gorgeous border to this sari, contrasting in color. And then here is the pallu of the sari, which is zari woven. You'll also see silver zari work on it. And now is the blouse piece to go along with the sari, contrasting in color with gold zari work going on it. So let's see the pricing details. Sari code is CF221, actual price is 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order for the sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let me tell all the viewers that if you miss out on any of the saris or the show that we keep having a live show every time, so what you can do is go to YouTube, search the name Kala Mandir and subscribe to our channel. Also get notified every time we upload a new video. Alright, you can check out various collections also from there. Similarly, you can follow us on Facebook under the name Kala Mandir, and on Instagram IGTV it is Kala Mandir Fashions. So up next is a pink base sari with multicolor on the body. There you go. Lovely digital print on the body. You can see larger human figures now on the body. And then we have the border here, which has floral digital work along with a strip of gold zari work here, contrasting in color, and pallu is completely zari woven with gold and silver zari floral work on it. Then comes the blouse piece, which has brocade work on it and has a small border to it. So this particular sari has a very thin border compared to the other ones that I just showed you. Alright, so let me show you the pricing details now. Sari code is CF214, actual price 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let's get in touch with you all, and we have Ankita here saying आपके पीछे सारी है वो क्यों नहीं दिखाते हैं आप. तो मैम, जो हम क्या करते हैं कि हमारे बहुत प्रकार के कलेक्शंस हैं जिसके हम अलग अलग वीडियोस बनाते हैं. तो अगर आपको वो सारीज़ देखें, सारी सिल्क साड़ीज़ ही, अगर आपको वो साड़ी भी देखना है तो आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे एक मैसेज डाल दीजिए कि आप वो साड़ी देखना चाहते हैं और हमारी जो टेक्निकल टीम है आपको वो साड़ीज़ दिखा देंगे. Then we have Sri Devi here saying, hi, good morning, wonderful collection, loving it, you also looking beautiful. Sri Devi ma'am, thank you so much, your comment is so beautiful, this is making me smile a lot. And then we have Sangeeta here saying, hi, nice collection, thank you so much, and I hope you all are enjoying this beautiful collection from Kala Mandir, which is called Kanchi border with digital printed saris, and it is at New Year sale. Alright. So yes, we have Rajni Tiwari here. Again, I will thank you for sharing your number with us. Ma'am, I will request our technical team right now to get in touch with you and check on your order. Alright. So for now, I am showing you the next sari, and I'll shortly get in touch with you. Till then, enjoy the saris that I'm showing. Here you go. Next, blue based sari with multiple colors on the body. You will find silver zari work also on the sari, and it is light in color, not too dark. Then we have this contrasting border with parsley designs and floral designs, along with a strip of gold zari work here. Then comes the pallu of the sari, which is completely zari woven and also contrasting in color. And here is the blouse piece, which has brocade work on the body and then this beautiful border to it. Let me show you the pricing details. Sari code CF181, actual price 7,999, offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, so next sari. Beautiful collection here today, and also we keep giving out great discounts all throughout the year. You can keep shopping with us all the time. And here is the next sari, little green based body here, but a pink contrasting border. Have a look closely at the body of the sari, florals, completely covered in florals, and this is all digital print. Then comes the Kanchi border of the sari, which has gold zari work on it in floral designs and cross lines. This is the pallu, which is contrasting in color and little darker gold zari work here. Again, all florals only on the entire sari. And now comes the blouse piece of the sari, which is contrasting in color and has a border to it, completely zari woven. Pricing details, sari code CF206, actual price is 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, let's move on and see the next sari. We have Sandhya here saying hi, good morning. A very hello to you and good morning. Welcome to our live show. I hope you enjoyed today's collection. Very beautiful and gorgeous saris that I have today. Here is one of pink shades, and on the entire body you will find a pink base and human figures, also light silver zari work in floral pattern. Then comes the border of the sari, which is covered with gold zari work. You'll find parsley designs and floral designs on the entire border of the sari. And as you see, the border is slightly broader than most of the saris that I'm showing. Then comes the pallu of the sari, which is contrasting in color. Light baby pink color you see here with silver zari work on it. A very gorgeous combination of pink, gold and silver zari mix. And here is the blouse piece of the sari. Again, similar to the pallu and also has a border to it. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CF223. Actual price is 6,999. Offer price is 5,600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay. Let's move on and see the next sari. Let me also tell you that Kala Mandir showrooms are available in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka, and we also provide free shipping and cash on delivery. Alright, so next sari is another of a pink bordered sari. Again, you will find tree design and human figures on the entire body. Have a look at the border of the sari now, pink in color, contrasting and is completely covered with gold zari work. The border is not too big, and here is the pallu of the sari, which is zari woven and is contrasting in color as well. Then comes the blouse piece of the sari, which is contrasting color and completely zari woven. Let me show you the pricing details. Sari code is CF203 and actual price is 7,999. Offer price of the sari is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So let's move on and see the next sari. Very beautiful collection here today. And up next is another of a pink sari. Here again with different work, and I'll show you how. Have a look at the body of the sari, human figures, and towards the end of the border you will find peacock design in zari work. This is not printed, this is in zari work, gold and silver zari. Then comes the kanchi border of the sari, temple design, cross lines and floral pattern. Too much work on the border, you can see. Very beautiful sari. Here is the zari woven pallu of the sari, which is in gold zari work, floral design. And then comes the blouse piece with zari woven work and a border to it. Again, contrasting color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CF205. Actual price is 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we had Miss Rajni. Ma'am, I hope you got your answer now. The technical team has replied to you, and I hope you receive your order as soon as you wish. Alright, so let's check out the next sari now. Another of a pink sari with green base. Here you go. Completely covered with florals on the entire body. So there's also a bit of floral work in zari, gold zari, going on the body of the sari, which is lighter in color but gives a good shine to the sari, the body of the sari. Then comes the border of the sari, which has florals on it and this small strip of gold zari work. Here is the pallu of the sari, which is completely covered with florals in gold zari and silver zari work. And now for the blouse piece of the sari, it is completely zari woven and has a small border to it. Alright, so let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CF224. Actual price is 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let's see the next sari now. Very gorgeous collection that I have for you all today. Also, let me tell you, if you miss out on any of the sari codes, do not worry, because we always save the sari codes in our description box. Just go and check out the sari links. Alright, so here we have the next sari. There you go. You can see a lot of colors on the body of the sari, human figures and floral work. And like I told you in the previous sari, silver zari work, floral patterns on the entire body to give it a shine. Then comes the border of the sari, which is contrasting in color and has lovely intricate patterns of florals along with small parsley buttis here. So here is the pallu now, contrasting in color, larger parsley designs on it and floral designs. This is all in gold zari work. And here is the blouse piece of the sari, contrasting in color and completely zari woven. So let's have a look at the pricing details now. Sari code is CF204. Actual price is 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let's move on and see the next sari now. Beautiful sari coming up with you for you with a bigger, broader border to it. So let me show you the sari. Here you go. Light-weighted sari, great soft material, and you can see leaves and parrot design on the body of the sari. And there are small zari buttis also in gold zari work on the entire body. Then comes the big border to this sari with temple design, cross lines, peacock and florals. Again a strip of gold zari work, and then again peacock and florals. Beautiful border to this sari. Pallu is completely zari woven. You can see gold zari work on it. And then comes the blouse piece, which is contrasting in color, and you'll see minimal work of gold zari on it along with a big border. So let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CF226. Actual price is 10,999. Offer price is 8,800 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let me tell all my viewers that cash on delivery and free shipping is available all throughout India. Also, if you do not know how to follow our social media handle, go check out this video right now and I will be back.
Watch all the Kalamandir live shows and order your favorite saris. Don't miss to click on the follow button.
Welcome back everybody, and let me continue presenting to you this very gorgeous collection from Kalamandir that is called Kanchi border and digital printed saris, which is at New Year's great sale offer. All right, so let's start with the sari that I'm holding on to. Very peacock blue and green kind of color on the sari. Digital print on the entire body, and you'll find silver zari floral work too. The silver zari gives a very good shine to the body of the sari, and then comes the border, which is peacock blue in color, contrasting color, along with parsley and floral buttis in gold zari work. You'll also see cross lines here. Amazing work done on the sari. Next is the pallu, which is completely zari woven in gold zari work. And then comes the blouse piece, which is again peacock colored and contrasting, that is, to the sari, along with a border to it. Have a look at it, and it's a very beautiful colored sari. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code is CF225. Actual price is 6,999 and offer price is 5,600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. So we have a viewer here named Durga asking for price please. So ma'am, if you can just provide the sari code, I will immediately show you the pricing of the sari. Also, all the saris are priced little differently. What you can do is stay tuned with our show and keep watching this entire live show, alright? So yes, here we go with the next sari. Beautiful color combinations on the sari. You will see yellow, green, multiple color on the body, along with a gorgeous border to it. It's a yellow and pink based sari. Yellow on the body, pink on the border. Also you'll find human and animal figures on the body of the sari with small silver zari buttis. And then we have the border of the sari, which has beautiful intricate work of gold zari work on it. You can see horse design, peacock design and parsley along with floral buttis on it. Silver and gold zari mixture, very beautiful border to the sari. And here comes the pallu, which is completely zari woven in gold zari work. And then comes the blouse piece of the sari, which is contrasting in color and has this beautiful border to it. Have a look at the sari and the blouse piece. Let's see the pricing details now. Sari code is CF227. Actual price is 11,999 and offer price is 9,600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So we have Lata Suresh here asking for my sari details. Definitely I'll just show it to you. Then we have Kalavati saying it's blur. I am extremely sorry if it's coming blur, but I will just request you to just check your connection once again, log out and log in once again, and maybe it will be proper. So then we have, okay, so it's while showing the code. Alright, we'll try to focus more on the code properly. So let me know if it's coming out clear, or else we'll make changes again. So yes, I'll show you my sari details now. This is for Miss Lata Suresh. The sari that I'm wearing, sari code is CF183, actual price 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I hope it is not blur anymore. We just try to make some changes. Also, I'll show you the next sari now. Another of a beautiful sari, red and pink based sari. There you go. You can see digital prints on the entire body of the sari along with silver zari floral work. A very gorgeous sari this is, completely filled with florals. Then we have this amazing border in gold and silver zari work. Diamond design and parsley designs along with floral designs. Contrasting border to the sari. Then we have this contrasting pallu as well, which I told you is red and pink mix. Here is a red color with silver zari florals on it. And now for the blouse piece of the sari, there you go. Big border, contrasting in color along with complete zari woven work on it. A very beautiful sari. Let's check out the pricing now. Sari code is CF211, actual price is 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Alright, we have Miss Madhuri here saying nice collection. Thank you so much. I'm really glad you're enjoying all this collection. Also, let me keep reminding you that the saris that we keep showing on our live shows are always given out at great discounts. So start shopping with us soon. Also, Pongal is around the corner, so you need to start placing your orders. There you go. Here is the next sari, pink and green based sari. Green on the body, pink on the border. And here you will find florals and human figures. Little copper zari work going on the body. Then we have the contrasting border in florals and cross lines. Gold zari work. And here is the pallu of the sari, which is covered in silver zari work in floral pattern. And now for the blouse piece of the sari, contrasting in color in complete gold zari work. So let's have a look at the pricing. Sari code is CF219, actual price is 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, I am extremely thrilled to announce that we have recently launched a new store and it had a grand opening, which is at Kasba Bazaar, Khammam, Telangana. So I will request all our viewers and customers who stay nearby Khammam, please go and do visit the store. Pongal is around the corner and many more festivals to come. Please go and shop at our brand new store. Okay, so here is a next piece for you in green and orange base. Orange is on the body of the sari and you can see digital prints in florals and human figures, and you will find silver zari floral work going on the body. Then comes the border. The border is not too big. Gold and silver zari floral work going on it. And here is the pallu of the sari, which is contrasting in color and has little bit of zari work going on it, along with thread weaving work. So then comes the pallu of the sari, which is again contrasting in color and has complete zari woven work on it. So let's check out the pricing details now. Sari code is CF212. Actual price is 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let me remind you all that we have New Year special offers on all of the saris that I'm showing you right now. Every sari will be differently priced, so keep looking at the tab and the pricing details. Up next is a pink sari, and as requested by one of our viewers, Kavita Lohani, to show a solid red sari. Let me check if I have a red sari right now, because I have a lot of pinks today, and if I have one, I'll show it to you. If not, what I may suggest you, ma'am, is just drop in a message on our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299, and our technicians will get in touch with you, also show you your favorite and preferred color. Alright. Then we have Swati again asking for price, please. Ma'am, like I said, every sari here will be priced differently in today's live show, because these are all New Year special prices, okay? So just stay tuned with our show and you'll get to know the prices too. And if you have any specific color in mind or a specific sari, share the code with us. I'll give you the pricing immediately. So here is a sari, green base, pink border, digital print on the entire body, and you'll find light work of silver zari floral patterns on the entire body of the sari. Gives a very beautiful shine. And then we have this amazing border to the sari, too much of work going on it in florals and parsley butties, cross lines, diamond design. And here is the pallu of the sari. Again, you'll find gold zari work on it and silver zari work. And here is the blouse piece, contrasting in color and gold zari work. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code is CF217. Actual price is 6,999 and offer price 5,600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. So we have Atharv here asking कीमत बताओ. तो अगर आप कीमत जानना चाहते हैं साड़ी की, आप मेरे साथ अपनी पसंद का साड़ी कलर या साड़ी कोड शेयर कर दीजिए, तो मैं आपको तुरंत ही उसका प्राइसिंग डिटेल्स दिखा दूंगी. और देन वी हैव नीरजा सेइंग प्राइस प्लीज. So a lot of viewers are asking about the pricing. Let me tell you once again that all the saris that I'm showing in this live show today are priced differently. हर साड़ी की कीमत अलग है आज, और हर साड़ी पर न्यू ईयर स्पेशल ऑफर्स आज लगी हैं. तो आप बस हमारे शो को देखते रहें और उसकी प्राइसिंग डिटेल्स, हर साड़ी की प्राइसिंग डिटेल्स चेक करते रहें. यदि आपकी कोई पसंद की साड़ी हो और आपके पास साड़ी कोड हो या फेवरेट कलर हो, आप वो हमें भेज दीजिए यहाँ पर अभी लाइव शो में, तो मैं आपको उस हिसाब से उस साड़ी की प्राइसिंग दिखा दूंगी. ठीक है. सो अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट साड़ी. ग्रीन बेस्ड साड़ी विथ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ पिंक हियर. हैव अ लुक एट द बॉडी ऑफ द साड़ी. इट हैज डिजिटल प्रिंट्स, floral work and silver zari floral work going on it. Then we have this contrasting border, green in color, gold and silver zari mix on it. And here is the pallu, contrasting color, pink color, green thread work going on it. You will also find little bit of gold zari shine on it. And then blouse piece, which is green in color, contrasting and completely zari woven. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code CF208. Actual price 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. So yes, we have Atharv here again asking blue color की साड़ी बताओ. तो ठीक है, अभी मेरे पास एक ब्लू साड़ी, मैं आपको अभी दिखा देती हूँ. ब्लू साड़ी ये रही. तो ये पूरी की पूरी ब्लू नहीं है, पर इसकी बॉर्डर जो है वो ब्लू है, और बॉडी पर आप देख सकते हैं हल्का सा पीच कलर. डिजिटल प्रिंट में फ्लोरल डिज़ाइन है पूरी की पूरी बॉडी पर, और इसके बॉर्डर पे आप पाएंगे ब्लू कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर। सिल्वर जरी गोल्ड जरी वर्क से काम किया गया है बॉर्डर पर। फिर आता है इसका कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग पल्लू जो कि है ब्लू कलर में, और इसके ऊपर की गई है गोल्ड जरी वर्क, पासली डिज़ाइन और डॉट डिज़ाइंस में। फिर मैं आपको इसका ब्लाउज पीस दिखा दूं जो कि है फिर से ब्लू कलर कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर, पर पूरा का पूरा ब्लाउज पीस गोल्ड जरी वर्क से कवर किया गया है। प्राइसिंग डिटेल्स देख लें एक बार। साड़ी कोड CF207, एक्चुअल प्राइस 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So यहाँ पे अथर जी मैं आपसे बताना चाहूँगी कि अभी मैंने आपको एक ब्लू साड़ी दिखा दिया है, कुछ देर और रुक जाए मैं आपको और ब्लू साड़ीज़ दिखा दूँगी, 2-3 यहाँ से मुझे दिख रहे हैं। और अगर आपको अपनी पसंद का फेवरेट कलर साड़ी कलेक्शन देखना हो तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे एक बार ज़रूर मैसेज डाल दीजिए जो कि है 9852985299। नंबर जो है हमारे स्क्रीन पर हमेशा फ्लैश होते रहता है और हमारे टेक्निकल टीम ने आपको रिप्लाई भी किया है, प्लीज़ ज़रा एक बार देख लीजिएगा। सो अथर्व से सिंपल ओल्ड ट्रिपल कलर की साड़ी बताओ। तो सर आज हमारे पास सब यही कलेक्शन है जो मैं दिखा रही हूँ, फ्लोरल प्रिंट, गोल्ड जरी, सिल्वर जरी वर्क का और डिजिटल प्रिंट का। यदि आप कोई और साड़ी देखना चाहें तो बस हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे हमसे जुड़ जाएं, ठीक है। सो नेक्स्ट साड़ी इज़ अ पिंक बेस्ड green based sari, green on the body, pink on the border, digital print on the entire body. You can also see silver zari work in floral design. Then we have border which is contrasting in color, gold zari work on it. Then we have the border of the sari which is again gold zari work and silver zari woven work. And here is the blouse piece contrasting in color, completely zari woven. A very beautiful shade of green and mix of pink. Pricing details is sari code CF209. Actual price 6,999 and offer price is 5,600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. So let's move on and see some next, some more saris. Little different pattern now I'll show you. So this sari that I'm holding on to does not have a big kanchi border like the previous saris that I showed you. Slightly different. Let me open the sari properly. Here, there you go. Digital print on the entire body of the sari. And you will find contrasting border here along with a small strip of gold zari line. It's a very simple sari and a very light weighted sari as well. The material is absolutely thin and light weighted. Then comes the pallu of the sari, completely printed again. And here is the bottom of the pallu which has tassels in gold zari work. Very beautiful sari, very simple also. This is a printed blouse piece that goes along with this sari. You can choose to have a different blouse piece also on this sari, and you can have many trendy blouse pieces also along with it. So here is the pricing details. Sari code CF192, actual price 2,000 rupees and offer price is 1,600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Let me tell you once again that free shipping and cash on delivery is available all throughout India. Also, you can avail our video calling facility. For that, all you need to do is get in touch with us on our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Up next is another printed sari, similar type. Simple sari, very light weighted with complete digital print on the entire body of the sari. I hope you can see it clearly. Amazing sari, very trendy too. Check out the border of the sari, contrasting in color with gold zari strips on it. And then we have the pallu of the sari, which is printed and contrasting in color. And here is the tassel, which is at the bottom of the pallu. And to go with the sari, we have a plain blouse piece. There you go, contrasting in color. And like I told you, you can experiment with the blouse pieces because it's a very trendy sari. So next is the sari code CF197. Actual price is 2000 rupees and offer price is 1600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So we have Deepa here saying all our high range saris. Yes ma'am, this collection particularly has a little higher range, but if you wish to check our other collections और उसमें भी काफ़ी कम रेंज में भी साड़ीज़ आएंगे आपके लिए और आपके पसंद के कलेक्शन भी आप देख सकते हैं। तो क्या करना है उसके लिए आपको बस हमारे लाइव शोज़ को फॉलो करें और हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे जाके हर प्रकार के वीडियोज़ आप चेक कर सकते हैं, हाई रेंज, लो रेंज, और आप हमारे वेबसाइट पर भी चेक कर सकते हैं जो कि है www.kalamandir.com। और अगर ये सब भी आपको पसंद ना आए तो सिंपल तरीका है, व्हाट्सएप पे हमसे जुड़ जाएं और हमारा व्हाट्सएप नंबर है 9852985299 और बस रिक्वेस्ट कर दीजिए लो रेंज साड़ीज़ के लिए, मीडियम रेंज साड़ीज़ के लिए, और वो हम आपको दिखा देंगे। सो देन वी हैव अथर्व अगेन सेइंग अपना मोबाइल नंबर शेयर कीजिए। तो मेरा मोबाइल नंबर यही है 9852985299। यहाँ पे आप मुझसे जुड़ सकते हैं। सो येस, लेट्स मूव ऑन एंड सी द नेक्स्ट साड़ी। This is a blue based sari, again digital print on the entire body, and then here is the border of the sari which has multicolor on it and contrasting color. Let me show you the body of the sari again. You will find human figures on it, a very scenic print on the sari, and little bit of gold zari lines going on the border. Then we have the pallu of the sari which is printed again, and also tassels at the bottom. And the blouse piece on this sari is the blouse piece. You will find little bit of print on it along with a little plain pattern also. Alright, so let me show you the pricing details. Sari code is CF185, actual price 2000 rupees and offer price is 1600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Okay, next sari. So few more saris in the similar collection of light-weighted, low range and printed, completely printed without the kanchi border. Here, there you go. This is the next one, a purple based sari. Have a look at the body of the sari. It has a very beautiful print on it. And then comes the contrasting border with a small strip of gold zari work going on. Printed pallu to go with this sari. And then the blouse piece of the sari is plain and contrasting in color. Here you go. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CF190, actual price 2000 rupees and offer price is 1600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, to all my viewers, do you know how to subscribe to our channels? If not, go check out this video and I will be right back.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
collection from Kala Mandir, that is Kanchi borders and digital printed saris. Now I'm showing a few of digital printed saris. Also, these saris are at a great special offer for New Year's. So stay tuned with us and watch the entire show. Here is the next sari, the one that I'm holding on to, yellow and green based sari. And if you see the body of the sari, you'll find ancient prints on it. And by ancient, I mean a very olden days kind of print to it. It has florals, it has trees, it has human figures on it. And then comes the border of the sari, which has a strip of zari work, then this contrasting color. Here is the pallu, which is printed. And you can also find tassels at the bottom of the sari. And then we have this contrasting yellow color blouse piece to go with this sari. Very beautiful sari. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code is CF191, actual price 2000 rupees and offer price is 1600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852 985299. So yes, let's see the next sari, and before seeing the next sari, let me get in touch with you all. We have Deepa saying you're looking nice. Thank you so much, ma'am. It's a very lovely compliment for me. And then we have Ronki saying a nice sari material. So yes, I hope you got the answer there from our technical team. Then we also have Mary saying please show sari in single layer so that we can make out the flow of the sari. Okay, all right, I will show you one particular sari like that. Then we have Athar saying hello ma'am, ab boli color ki साड़ी बताओ ना. तो आपको अभी फ़िलहाल हमारे इस कलेक्शन में से चाहिए या कांची बॉर्डर्स वाले कलेक्शन में से चाहिए, वो आपको मुझे वापस से बताना होगा, या फिर आप हमारे शो को फिर से हल्का से रिवाइंड करके देख सकते हैं, आपको साड़ी का कलर भी मिल जाएगा. So yes, let me show you the sari, and as requested on single layer. There you go. I hope you can see it clearly now. And here is the body of the sari. You can find human figures and trees on the entire body. Beautiful color of light green. And then comes the border of the sari, which is printed and has a little bit of gold zari line on it. Then comes the pallu, which is printed again. The entire sari has print work on it. You will find tassels at the bottom as well. Let me show you the blouse piece of the sari now. There you go. This is the blouse piece, contrasting border along with similar body as the body of the sari only. So let's see the pricing details. Sari code is CF177, actual price 2000 rupees and offer price is 1600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So then we have Mary here saying please show Kanchi border sari in single layer. Okay, just stay tuned with us for a little while and I'll show you a Kanchi sari also. I have a few more left here in single layer. Alright, for now I'll just show you the printed saris and then quickly we'll move to Kanchi sari. There you go, next sari, a very trendy sari I feel with floral design on it. Simple plain sari. Then you can find the contrasting border with gold zari work. Then here is the pallu of the sari, printed again. And this is the blouse piece, similar blouse piece on this sari. However, you can experiment with different colors also because it's a very trendy sari. There you go for the pricing details. Sari code CF175, actual price 2000 rupees and offer price is 1600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Okay, let's move on and see the next sari now. Very beautiful, similar pattern, different colored sari, purple and green base this time. There you go. Simple design on the sari, and then contrasting color on the border along with a small thin line of gold zari work, and then comes the pallu of the sari, which is printed again and has this plain blouse piece to go along with it, along with a border to it. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Very pretty combination of pink and purple and green, and here is the pricing details. Sari code CF186, actual price 2000 rupees and offer price is 1600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, let's see the next sari now. A darker body here on this sari. So this sari is covered with human and animal figure. Have a look at it. You can find ladies and a cow on the body of the sari along with tree design. Then we have contrasting border along with a strip of gold zari work. And here is the printed pallu of the sari. And then comes the blouse piece, which is printed again. Here you go. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CF202, actual price 2000 rupees and offer price is 1600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, next sari is in green color with a darker body, again similar kinds. There you go. Human figures and tree figures on the sari. And then comes the contrasting border of the sari with gold zari work. And here is the printed pallu along with tassels at the bottom. Then comes the plain blouse piece along with a border to it. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Sari code is CF178, actual price 2000 rupees and offer price is 1600 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Alright, so this was the last piece from our shelf collection. Now I will show you our mannequin pieces. Also to Miss Mary here who wanted to see Kanchi sari in single layer, I'll show it to you on the mannequin so you get a better idea of it. Also, I hope it solves the purpose. Now let's move on and see the sari here. First one is a digital printed sari along with a Kanchi border, a pink and orange based sari. Human figures on the body along with gold zari floral work. Then comes the border of the sari, which is contrasting in color. And you will also find peacock design and floral design in gold zari work along with cross lines. Pallu of the sari is contrasting with zari woven work on it. And then comes the blouse piece, which is plain with a border. Let's have a look at the pricing. Sari code CF180, actual price 3799 and offer price is 3040 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. So let's move on and see the second last sari from this gorgeous collection here, which is Kanchi border and digital printed saris. Another of a beautiful blue sari for all those who wanted to see a blue sari. There you go. Digital print on the entire body along with silver zari florals on the body of the sari. Then we have contrasting border to this sari in gold and silver zari work. Parsley designs and floral designs all over it. Then comes the pallu of the sari, which is completely zari woven, and then is the blouse piece, which is completely zari woven again. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Sari code CF184, actual price 7,999 and offer price is 6,400 rupees. To place an order for the sari, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Okay, so the last piece from our beautiful collection here today. Have a look at this blue sari, which is in printed, digital printed work. On the entire body there is human figures. Has a darker color to the body. Contrasting border to this sari, bluish in color, along with a small strip of gold zari work. Similar pallu to the sari, printed again. And blouse piece is plain with a border to it. Let's have a look at the pricing details now. Sari code is CF179, actual price 2,000 rupees and offer price is 1,600 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed our collection from today. So I will be back with yet another collection very soon and great discounts for you all. Till then, stay tuned with us. This is Kartika signing off.
Step into the world of beautiful, exquisite saris close to our heart. Don't forget to follow the everyday live shows on the Instagram and Facebook pages.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.